Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your phone is tied to your Google or Apple account and that location services are active. This enables remote actions. From another phone or computer, call your number and send a text with a clear instruction. Once done, open Find My Device or Find My iPhone and choose Play Sound. You do this because the service forces audio even if the phone is muted, and it gives you an immediate audible cue to locate it. Once you can see the device on a map, zoom in and note the last seen time to prioritize search areas. Use Play Sound to trigger audio and Lost Mode to display a message and lock the screen. These tools help protect data while you search. If the map shows indoors or near known networks, check rooms where that Wi-Fi or Bluetooth device appears. You do this because combining sound with location narrows possibilities fast and preserves security. You now perform a slow, methodical sweep of likely hiding spots while repeatedly triggering Play Sound. Make sure to check under cushions, clothes, pockets, and bags, because phones often slip into soft surfaces. If the device shows offline, set alerts to notify you when it reconnects and review the timeline history to see movement patterns. If you cannot recover the phone and personal data is at risk, remotely erase it, but only after you accept you cannot retrieve it. This is the final safety step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.